Welcome intellectuals. In this video we are going to answer question 2. This is tutorial sheet 2, physics 101 on vectors. The question reads: calculate the x component and the y component of the vector with magnitude 24.0 meters and the direction 56.0 degrees. So let's do this question step by step. So okay, so if you have been given a vector, let that vector be vector A. Okay, the vector be vector A. If you have been given vector A, all right, vector A, then you are asked to find the y component, the x component in the first place. The x component is going to be written as the x component of vector A will be like this. Okay, then it will be given by A cos theta. Okay, then the y component is given now by A sine theta. You need to know this. We are getting into serious physics now. All right, so this A represents the magnitude. Okay, this is the magnitude. The magnitude in this case we have 24 meters. Then theta represents what? The direction. Okay, this is the direction, and in this case I've been given 56. So to find the x component, we are going to say the x component will be 24.0 cos 56. All right, so you take that now on your calculator. You say 24 cos 56. Okay, 24 cos 56, mine is giving me 13. It's giving me 13.42062 like this. Okay, so now we are going to leave this in respect to the what? To the magnitude what? Significant figures. We've got 3 significant figures, so this one is going to remain in 13.4 meters. Okay, this is what? This is the x component. The y component, you are going to say 24.0, then sine 56. Okay, sine 56. What we are going to have is, we say 24 sine 56. Okay, it's giving me 19. It's 19.896. Okay, we can end here. Now we are going to leave it in 3 significant figures, so we can start at here. Since this is greater than 5, is greater or equal to 5, we are going to put 1 here. So we are going to have 19.9 meters. Okay, so this is what? This is our y component. So this is how simple you can find the x and the y components. So if you find the video help, please consider subscribing to the channel. You hit the notification button. You also like the video. All right, so we continue answering the question 3 in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.